Welcome students to ND's English Grammar channel on YouTube. In this video, I have for CBSE class 10 a few creative understanding based questions and answers from Woli and Thieves story. These questions are very important. You can expect them in final, but also prepare other questions of this type for your full preparation. Let us begin. How does education play a role in transforming Woli and Hari Singh's life? As you have read in the story, Woli's life changed due to education, and Hari Singh also changed with the help of education under the guidance of Anil, and Woli under the guidance of teacher. So in both the stories, the protagonists changed their lives with the help of education. Answer. Education plays a pivotal role in transforming the lives of both Woli and Hari Singh, albeit in different ways. For Woli, education serves as a powerful tool for empowerment, enabling her to break free from the shackles of her timid and neglected past. Through education, Woli gains confidence, self-reliance, and sense of purpose, ultimately emerging as a powerful and self-dependent individual. Education equips her with the knowledge, skills, and critical thinking necessary to navigate the complexities of life, make informed decisions, and forge her own path. In the case of Hari Singh, education offers a chance for redemption and personal growth. As a young thief, Hari Singh's life is marked by dishonesty and lack of direction. However, though his association with Anil and the education he receives, Hari begins to see the world in a different light. Education instills in him a sense of morality, empathy, and responsibility, encouraging him to live his life of thievery behind and strive for a better future. The transformative power of education enables Hari to reevaluate his values, develop a stronger sense of self, and work towards becoming a good man. So students, these two paragraphs are enough for your 6 marks or 5 marks answers. But here I have added one more paragraph. You may read them and you may write also. This is concluding para. In both the cases, education serves as a catalyst for transformation, providing the necessary foundation for personal growth, development, and empowerment. By acquiring knowledge, skills, and values, Woli and Hari Singh are able to overcome their respective challenges and emerges as better versions of themselves. So students, you can understand the answer is easy, but you have to discuss them elaborately. Now let us go to question number 2. Question 2. What values do Woli and Hari Singh learn through their experiences, and how does education influence these values? This answer to have some parts from question number 1. So you will find similarity in the answers, but there are different explanations. Answer. Through their experiences, Voli and Hari Singh learned a range of valuable lessons that shape their values and worldviews. For Voli, education instills a sense of self-worth, confidence, and independence. She learns to value her own abilities, think critically, and make informed decisions. Voli's transformation from a timid and neglected girl to a powerful and self-dependent individual is a testament of the impact of education on her values. In the case of Hari Singh, education teaches him the importance of trust, empathy, and redemption through his association with Anil and the education he receives. Hari learns to value honesty, integrity, and responsibility. He begins to understand the impact of his actions on others and develops a sense of remorse for his past mistakes. Education influences these values by providing Hari Singh a normal compass, enabling him to distinguish right from wrong and strive for better life. Education plays a significant role in shaping the values of both Voli and Hari Singh by providing them with knowledge, skills, critical thinking. Education empowers them to reevaluate their values and develop a stronger sense of purpose. Through education, they learn to appreciate the importance of hard work, self-reliance, and personal responsibility, ultimately emerging as more confident, empathetic, and responsible individuals. Question 3. How can education be a catalyst for personal transformation as seen in Voli and Hari Singh's stories? This answer to is similar to the first two ones. Answer. Education can be powerful catalyst for personal transformation as evident in the stories of Voli and Hari Singh. By providing individuals with knowledge, skills, and critical thinking, education empowers them to challenge their existing beliefs, values, and behaviors. Education enables individuals to develop a stronger sense of self, reevaluate their priorities, and strive for personal growth and development. In the case of Voli, education serves as a means of empowerment, enabling her to break free from the limitations of her past and forge a new path. Through education, Voli gains confidence, self-reliance, and critical thinking necessary to navigate the complexities of life, make informed decisions. Similarly, education plays transformative role in Hari Singh's life, offering him a chance for redemption and personal growth. By acquiring knowledge, skills, and values, Hari Singh is able to reevaluate his life choices, develop a stronger sense of morality, and strive for better future. In both the cases, education serves as a catalyst for personal transformation, providing the necessary foundation for individual to challenge their existing slaves, selves, and emerge as better versions of themselves. By powering individuals with knowledge, skill, and critical thinking, education enables them to take control over their lives, make informed decisions, and strive for personal growth and development. So you may not give the third para, but first, second, and fourth para, but first, second, and third are important, you may give. So you have seen all the questions are almost the same, but starting and ending are different, and a little bit of explanations are different. So students, as you have seen, these three questions have been made on the basis of comparison between Bholi and Hari Singh and roles of education in their lives. So these type of questions are very important. Creative questions these are, and understanding based. And also you can say comparison based questions. So please prepare these questions, take points, notes from this, and also add your own views from your professors and teachers and write out your answers. Please subscribe for English Grammar channel for more videos like this on every topic. Thank you.